Hello my precious dear friends. Today, we are delving into the creation of a simple yet timeless delicacy, lemon tartlets. This recipe promises a flavor experience you won't soon forget, a lemon lover's ultimate indulgence. This enduring classic, a staple in any baker's repertoire, originates from various trusted cookbooks and ease of preparation. Whether meticulously rolled or gently pressed into the tart pan, the result is consistently sublime. So, let's embark on the journey of crafting these tangy, irresistible tartlets, a recipe destined to become a perennial favorite in your kitchen. In a spacious bowl that can withstand heat, combine lemon zest, eggs, and lemon juice. Whisk vigorously by hand for approximately 5 minutes until the mixture achieves a pale, fluffy consistency. Over low heat, cook the mixture while stirring continuously. Gradually incorporate the brown sugar and continue stirring. Introduce the butter into the mixture and stir until it thickens, which typically takes around 10 minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve to remove any solids, then discard them. Cover the filling and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. In the food processor bowl, place the biscuits and crush them gently. Mix in the melted butter until well combined. Press the crumb mixture firmly into tart molds. Chill the tarts until they are set, approximately 2 hours. Using a piping bag, fill the cooled tart shells with the lemon mixture. Refrigerate the tarts until they are set, ideally for 4 hours or overnight. Prior to serving, garnish with fresh lemon slices and cherries if desired. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed crafting this delightful no-bake lemon tartlet. If this culinary adventure brought joy to your day, I request you to show your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Your encouragement fuels my culinary passion, and I am sincerely thankful for each one of you. Keep an eye out for another delectable recipe heading your way soon. Until then, take care and stay safe. Happy baking!